Hello, and thank you for purchasing our revolutionary single-point sling, the ExO 13 Tactical Sling. This video will outline what's included with your sling, how to install it properly, and basic operation of the sling. The main sling has two keepers on either end. These keepers are used to attach the ExO 13 to your plate carrier, backpack, or LBV. Along the top of the ExO 13 is the male quick detach buckle, which has the ability to move along the sling for more dynamic movement. Also included is our G2 flexible swivel. This swivel will attach to your weapon and uses the female quick detach side release buckle to attach to the sling. Extra G2s are available for purchase for your other long guns if desired. Lastly, there are two Velcro strips to assist in keeping the ExO 13 in place after mounting. First, take the ExO 13 and line it up with the support side shoulder strap of your plate carrier or backpack. Because the ExO 13 is ambidextrous, your support side will be the opposite of your dominant hand or eye. We recommend installing on the support side because it allows your firearm to not obstruct any gear mounted to your chest or your sidearm and prevents the weapon from hitting you in the groin, unlike other single-point slings. Please note, when positioned properly, the front of the ExO sling has the male side release buckle pointing downward. Find an unused or vacant molly loop and thread the front keeper. We recommend tucking in the folded over nylon of the keeper into the molly for a more snug fit. After feeding the keeper through the molly loop, take the ExO 13 sling and loop the keeper through the front of the sling and fasten the keeper with the tri-glide. To make sure the ExO 13 sling mounts evenly over the shoulder, use the tri-glide to lock the keeper on the molly loop to secure the ExO 13 properly on your gear. Find a vacant molly loop at the rear of your gear and use the keeper to lock the ExO 13 in place using the tri-glide. If there are no available molly loops in the rear, you can use the drag handle or other hardware or loops available. Sometimes, folding the rear keeper makes it easier to feed it through the molly. After feeding it through, secure the keeper to the rear of the ExO 13 sling as shown. The keepers are long and allow you to mount the ExO 13 to most plate carriers and tactical backpacks, as all gear is designed differently. Repositioning your gear makes mounting a bit easier as well. Make sure you have enough space to secure the keeper properly by feeding it through the tri-glide with teeth so it won't back out. Once it's mounted, the ExO 13 will sit flush along the shoulder strap of your gear. Take the Velcro strips and attach under the top 1-inch nylon webbing to allow the side release buckle to freely move up or down along the sling. This will help lock the ExO 13 in place. Please note, we highly suggest attaching the Velcro under the shoulder strap to secure the ExO 13 properly. The Velcro strips should be mounted in the two best spots where it will secure the ExO 13 sling. Again, all gear is unique and designed differently. You will have the flexibility to set it up the way that best fits your equipment. As a quick tip, you can mount one of the Velcro strips on top of the 1-inch nylon webbing in order to control how low your weapon will hang from the ExO 13. This is a personal preference. Some prefer the weapon to mount slightly higher or lower than designed, so this gives you the freedom to adjust it to your comfort and fit. Now let's take a look at how to mount the G2 flexible swivel to your firearm. For safety, ensure your firearm is unloaded with no magazine. Place your firearm in front of you with the muzzle pointed in a safe direction on a table with the trigger facing towards you. Run the G2 flexible swivel under the rear of the weapon so the eyelet is away from you. Loop it around and feed the female quick detach buckle through the eyelet. This is done so when the weapon is slung, it hangs correctly on your support side. Now your ExO 13 sling is installed properly on your gear and you're ready to use it. The ExO 13 slings are available in black, OD green, and tan at slingguru.com. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay safe.